now is to create a text PNG. Now, we're going to go to File, open Photoshop, File, New. We're going to make the width. I'm going to make my width 8, and I'm going to make the height 2 inches. Okay. Matter of fact, I'll make it 3 inches. Resolution 300, and I create. You click on the font that you want to use. And we're going to title this Welcome. Okay. Now, to scale this, we just click on the Move tool, Command T. Or you can do the Transform, Scale. Okay, same thing. You just drag and pull. Position it as close as possible to the top, and let's crop it. Now right here you might say you don't like the font, so this is where you select the font that you're going to use for your page. Okay, and once you have your font, the next thing you want to do is to add some color, some flavor to it. So I'm going to double click on the layer right over here, double click on the side, and then I'm going to add a gradient. Okay, now gradient, you just click on it, and we want to alter that, so I'm going to click on the little pen, and I can change the colors right here. So let's go with a yellow. I'm going to change this to be like a blue. I'm going to change this color here. Okay. Now, what if you want to add another pen? You hold down Option and click it, and there you have another one. See that? If you want to remove it, you just drag it off. Okay. Now I hit OK. Now, what if you want to save this as a gradient? You just give it a name right here. You can call it whatever color. I'll call test for now and hit New. And here it is. It's actually saved inside my gradient palette. So I can swap this out to any style that I want to use in the future. Alright? So hit OK, but it still needs something. So it needs a stroke. So I'm going to click on the stroke. I'm going to turn that color black to make it pop. I'm going to bring down the stroke and tap it. Okay. Now we got that. That's looking good, but it's still missing something. So I'm going to scale it in a little smaller. Pull it over. I'm going to duplicate. To duplicate, you just right click and click. Duplicate. So I just duplicate the layer. I'm going to click on the bottom layer. Double click. And I'm going to go to stroke and change the color so we can go with a green. Okay, and now we can experiment with colors. We can say, well, I don't like that. Let's go yellow. Oh, yes, yellow looks good. I'm going to hit apply. Okay, so now you got 2 layers. So I'm going to hold shift and click both of them and lock them. So now when I move it, it moves together. Then I'm going to go to crop. We're going to crop it in tight as possible. Bam. And then hit enter. And I'm going to take the eye out because the background has the white. This means it's transparent. I go to my export as what? QuickTime PNG, desktop, welcome, save. We go to back to Peekaboo, go to photos, upload it into my section, add photo, drag it, drop, upload, and then I go where? To the ladder and click on the page. I want to add it. and then I navigate to the page. There it is. Welcome. Drag and drop. Add as a photo, right? Bam. And scale it. You can make it big. See how clean it is? All right, and that's how you would add your text into the piece. So I'm gonna go here and stop. Hopefully that's helpful for you guys.